Okay, so after learning about experimental design and a couple of the vocab words that we're going to be using, I have a scenario here that we're going to get more into detail tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and read it and go over this example. It will very much benefit you for tomorrow as well as today. It says, explore the following problem. Suppose that we have 30 students willing to participate in our experiment to test short putters versus long putters. We decide to have 15 students use the short putter and 15 use the long putter. Suppose we let students pick which putter they want to use. Why might this be a problem? Well, this is going to be a problem, and we're going to control for this. I just talked about control. We're going to control and not allow this to happen because the students that pick the shorter putter might have a better short game. The students who pick the longer one might know that they're going to do better with a longer one. So we want to take that out of the equation entirely. That would be what's known as a confounding variable. In the next one, it says, instead of letting students choose which putter they will use, we use random assignment to select 15 for the long and 15 for the short putter. Explain how you could use slips of paper to do random assignment. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about how we absolutely have to always have this random assignment piece in there. So we will be placing slips of paper with their name, in this case, into a hat, box, or whatever, and pulling out 15. The first 15 people that I pull out, they are going to get the short putter. The next 15 will get the long putter. Okay, so that's how that will work for random assignment. Explain how you could use a random number generator to do so. Well, we've done that back when we did simple random samples. That's different than this because we're not doing a sample, we're doing an experiment, but it's the same idea. I would number them 0, 1 through 30. 30, so 0, 1 through 30. I would go to line 105 of the table and I would start to take 2-digit chunks. When I got 15 of them, the first 15 I got would get the long putter, and then the rest of them, I wouldn't keep drawing numbers, the rest of them would get the short putter. What is the purpose of using random assignment? That's a great question. The reason that we always use random assignment is because, again, there might be bias in the way that we choose students to do the short or long putter. Like maybe we think, oh, you know what, it's going to go way better with this long putter. So I'm going to choose my students that are more athletic to use that one than maybe the other students. Regardless, unconscious bias could happen, so we want to eliminate that bias right off the bat and randomly assign the student so that it's left to chance.